Welcome everyone. Today I'll discuss Gujarat SET Paper 3 2017 question paper on geography. The questions are like which of the following is a tropical grassland? So Llanos, Pampas, Steppe and down. So there are four options. We can get details about each information and we can have a detailed understanding of the topics like Linos in the tropical grassland. Pampas is the temperate grassland. Steppe is the uh, also a temperate grassland, and Demos. This is not recognized grassland, anything like that. So Linos is the correct answer for the first question. That means this is the correct question. Now the second correct option. Now the second question is the degrading lake ecosystem is often referred as the degrading lake ecosystem. For eutrophication, evolution, evolution and Chelson. So evolution cannot be there. So evolution. So eutrophication is the correct answer. What do you mean by eutrophication? Is the process eutrophication is the process where a water body such as lake becomes overly enriched with minerals and nutrients such as nitrogen, phosphorus. These excess nutrients cause rapid uncontrolled growth of the algae and aquatic plants, which ultimately degrades the water quality and depletes the oxygen level, threatens the aquatic life. So that is the answer. The which of the following essential before setting up a major industrial projects? So which of the following is essential for the environmental impact assessment, SIA, both or none of them? So environmental impact assessment should be the correct answer. Let's check it with the information available online. So it says both social impact assessment and the environmental impact assessment both are required for the setting up industry. Now, next question is the warm sea temperature is above. Okay, so the next question is warm sea temperature of the 20 degree greater than 20 degrees Celsius, higher relative humidity of the atmosphere at a height of the 70-meter, atmospheric instability. So the correct option is formation of the initial development, right? Formation of the initial development, that is the correct answer. Now the next option is the social integration, cultural diffusion, and the spatial segregation are the features of the following, like industrial social segregation, industrial diffusion, and the spatial segmentation, industrialization, migration, urbanization, or regional development. At social integration, cultural diffusion, and the spatial segregation. Social integration, that means social integration, cultural diffusion, and the spatial segregation. So regional development, urbanization, migration, industrialization. So industrialization, social integration cannot be there. So industrialization cannot be the answer. Migration, urbanization. So social integration, cultural diffusion. That means mixture of the culture. The urbanization may be the answer. Right? Urbanization may be the answer. Let's check it with the uh, information available online. We'll be having discussion on the other topic like the next question is pH value. So urbanization is the correct answer. So what I guess is correctly guessed. So pH value is a measure of the alkalinity, acidity, BOD and COD. So pH value is the alkalinity, acidity. So pH value, both the things are but better explained I think acidity. So let's check it. Acidity, BOD means BOD, COD, like so alkalinity or B this value, making it a qualitative indicator for the solution A and B. So both the things, but alkalinity and acidity, both the things. Acidity value 7 indicates a acidic solution, higher the nitrogen iron concentration. Alkalinity 7 indicates so pH 7 represents a neutral value. BOD COD not associated with the particular pollution rather than the strength of the water. Biological oxygen demand, oxygen, they are the indicators of the oxygen demand. Now matching pair, so settlement linear, rectangular, circular or T-shape. Now transaction plane area along a road. So along a road linear, along a road must be linear. So rectangular, so 1 equal to 3, so equal to 3, 1 is only 1. C, option C should be the correct answer, right? Option C should be the correct answer. A3, B2, C4 and D1. So the option C is the correct answer. Linear shape. Now next, coming to the Polynesian group of the Iceland are located in which of the following ocean? Like Polynesian group of Iceland located in the which of the following ocean? Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, North uh, Indian Ocean and Northern Ocean. So correct answer is the Pacific Ocean. So Pacific Ocean, Polynesia along with the Micronesia and Melanesia makes up the major island group of the Pacific Ocean. Atlantic, there is not nothing like that. Now the next question is about sex ratio in India is worked out which of the following formula, like male population by female population, female by male, or male by total population. So in India, it is female. So sex ratio in India is female population per male population. Based on the provided answer through the slightly female population as per thousand male population. Option A is the correct answer. Right. So male population. This is the answer. First option. So first is the correct answer. Male population divided by female population. Law The law of stream ordering was refers to the positive exponential function, negative exponential function, positive arithmetic function, and negative arithmetic function. So negative exponential function is the correct answer. So the mathematical model for the particular thing given by the Robert E. Hutton, given by the Robert E. Hutton. The next question is the GLONASS. So the GLONASS satellite is associated with USSR, USSR, GLONASS, Russian Foundation, right? The GLONASS was associated with the Russian Foundation. Next question is the percentage of the. Next question is what is the next question? Or is the percentage of the lateral overlap in the pair of the aerial photographs, the lateral overlap. So 30 is the correct answer. Lateral overlap, also called as the side lap, which occurs between photos in adjacent flight lines. It typically ranges from 20 to 30% to ensure there is no gap between parallel processes. Right. The remote sensing satellites are mostly sun-synchronous, geostationary, ground-based. So both can be, but mostly sun-synchronous. Because of the light, because whatever they are capturing, if there is no light, then there is no sense of capturing the thing. But this as per the SAR data, so this is something different from what is usually happening. So the development of the railroads demand for the better quality refrigeration and the modern packaging plants is the development of which of the following, right? Meat, apple, dairy products and beverages. So option meat, 4. Meat and dairy product are the preferable choice because they need the refrigeration and all, like option A and option 4. Option A and option, that means the D is the correct answer. Which of the when the speed of the satellite matches the orbital speed of the earth's rotation, this is called geostationary, sun-synchronous, and radar system space altitude. So this cannot be sun-synchronous, will be, so geostationary is the correct answer. The ground recharge rates would be highest in which of the following regions? The ground recharge rates which be following: Australia, USA, Scandinavian countries, and Indo-Gangetic Plain. So Indo-Gangetic Plain should be the correct answer. Like as per the 2016, Gujarat state comprises how many districts? So Gujarat state has how many districts? 33. Okay, Gujarat 33 districts. What did Gujarat come into existence as a separate state? So as a separate state, maybe 1st May 1960 or what? Let's check. 1st May 1960 is the correct answer. Which of the following statement is not pertaining to the 12th five-year plan? right? Which of the following is not part of the 12th have average GDP growth up to 8%, agricultural growth up to 4%, reduction of the poverty rate by 5%, elimination gender and social gap. So reduction of the so this is the wrong answer, because it is the 10th 5-year plan. So this is the specific was 10th 5-year plan. Now next question is, the backward area can be identified on the basis of the which of the following, like percent of the ST total population, working population engaged in the agriculture, ratio of the urban and rural population. So all of these above should be the correct answer. So this is all for now, and I'll continue in the next section.